The following contest is a boiler room match, and the only way to win is to escape up those stairs right there. Introducing first, from the Grand Mansion in the middle of the woods, weighing in at a disclosed weight, MoJo Grant. And his opponent, from Nashville, Tennessee, weighing in at 128 pounds, Danger Doug. There we go. Where's MoJo? Where'd MoJo go?
Wait, do you a favor there.
Okay. Just to make sure. Oh, where could he's holding that plate. It'd be good if he could ever find MoJo wherever he is. Oh, there he is! Oh! Oh my god, he hit him with that steel plate. Doubt that feels good. Oh, he's pounding him. Oh my god, right off the face. That's gotta hurt. MoJo, not a good start. What are they going through here now? There he goes. Oh, what a kick to the head. He's grabbing that chair. Oh my god. The chair's coming in play now. Onto the back of MoJo. Another shot to the back. Doug is not fooling around. Oh! Rams MoJo's face right in the pole. MoJo can't seem to get it going. Oh no, he sits up. Where's he going? Doug's all the way over there. Wait, MoJo, what are you doing?
He's beating up a ginger ale bottle. What?
MoJo just beat up this ginger ale bottle right here. Yeah, fix that. I'm pretty sure he was just beating up that pole right there, but Doug back onto the attack, ramming his shoulder right into that pole. Ooh, he's using that leverage. Joe's up. Nice, a fire hydrant. Danger Doug's got a fire hydrant. Oh, he's not using that. Oh, what a super kick by MoJo. Oh, another one. Oh, a super kick of his own by Doug.